going to go over how to do works cited while you're writing your essay number 3 and your research paper. Now, the works cited, how to write your works cited, is on our Canvas website right here where it says MLA style citations. And on the bottom, here's the directions on how to do works cited. And this is the format that you follow right here. So if it's a book, this is how it should look. If it's an anthology, many of you will be using a lot of scholarly journal articles, so it should look like this, right? So let's say that you found an article using the PDF format in Google search that I taught you, and you found this in PDF format, and it looks like a good article, right? It has all these authors. Does it have page numbers? Let's take a look on the bottom. Yes, it has page numbers, 82, 83, right? So it has page numbers. So this is a good article. So you want to do your works cited. And so here's the title up here, right? And if you scroll down on one of the pages, okay, here it is, you should see on the bottom where it tells you the name of the journal. It's called Cell Research. And anytime it has a volume and a number, so volume number and an issue number, that means this is a journal article. Journal articles always has a volume number and usually an issue number and the date that it was published. And here, that's the name of the journal. So it's Cell Research. So those are the information that you need to write your works cited. And you just kind of follow this format right here. But let me give you a little cheat sheet. So you are going to copy and paste the title of the article, right? So here it is, okay? And it's usually this one. And here's the article, right? But it's just a summary. But over here on the right, it kind of does a cited for you. So you click on cite and you look for MLA format, and this is it. But the problem with this online citation is that it is incorrect. There are errors in here. Because if you look at the title, right, notice that it's lowercase, right? And so that's incorrect. So you would have to make the major words into capitals. So that's one way of doing this, of finding the MLA format. Okay, but make sure that it's correct. And of course, the indentation is not correct, right? Another way you can do this is by using our El Camino College database, the library database. So you go to elcamino.edu and you click on library. And then on the one search, just type in the title of the article. And hopefully they have it here. Okay. And it looks like it's this one right here. Okay. And so here's the article. And so you click on citation. And again, we want MLA format, right? And I'm not sure if this is the same exact one, but let's just pretend it is. And so again, you click on citation, you want MLA format, not the APA, right? We want MLA format. Okay? And they, again, looks like, is it lowercase? Yep, it looks like it's lowercase. Okay, so again, the computer doesn't do it 100% correctly, so you would have to change it. Okay? And so this is another way of doing your works cited. Okay, I don't know why, but after I refreshed it, it came up as the correct way. Notice that it's capitalized right here. The title of the article is capitalized. Okay. And the next thing I want to talk about is doing your works cited. So again, this is the cheat sheet, right? And you copy and paste this in text citation, or this works cited, and you put it into your Word document. If you're using Word document or Google Docs, okay, whatever. Right, so this is your works cited. Now, remember that the second plus line has to be indented, right? So you click on tab, and you're like, wait a second, what's going on? I can't indent my second line, right? And if you click on tab like that, it looks like, it does this weird thing, okay? So let me show you a trick on this. So let's pretend you did all your works cited, right? So this is all correct. You either did it yourself or you cheated and put copy and paste, but that's fine. So you go on to here where it says format, and you want align and indent. Okay, so right now I click on align and indent and go on the bottom where it says indentation options. So everything is 0. And where it says special indent, you want to click on hanging. You want what's called a hanging indent to do your works cited. And once you click on apply, it's like magic. It does your hanging indent. This is how it should look like. Okay. So again, I'm going to show you. You finished doing your works cited. Format, align and indent, indent options, and then hanging, and then apply. Okay. It also works on your if you're using Word document. Look for the hanging indent. It's usually right click and then indent, and then you want to look for hanging indent. Okay, so there you go.